You're more likely to be struck by lightning than to own this car. For the first time in company history, McLaren built a car exclusively for the US market. The $3.5 million McLaren Sabre was limited to only 15 cars and had direct input from buyers on almost every detail from bodywork to seating position, making all 15 Sabres completely unique to the buyer. This one's even signed by McLaren's F1 team. Love or hate the looks, the Sabre was McLaren's most powerful non-hybrid car upon its release in 2021 and showcased the extraordinary capabilities of McLaren Special Operations team. Love cars, follow CarZach.